In this 5-minute or less video, I'm going to show you how to look up your schedule, how to look up the course schedule. No matter what term, whether it's fall, spring, or summer, we do it the same way, very quickly. So the first thing you want to do is click on Learn at Lawson, or just hover over it, Learn at Lawson, and select Classes and Registration right here. From there, look to the left and you'll see Schedule of Classes. Select that, and then click here to view the schedule. So it's going to pull up the dynamic schedule, and you'll see several terms are running, right? A lot of times you'll be able to register, like in this case from summer, you can register for the summer term and the fall term, spring. So no matter what year you're looking at this, it all sets up. If you see view only, that means you can just see, you can see it, you can't register. But you can see which ones are open because they will not have the view only. If you don't see that, then they're open. All right, so I'm going to go to the fall term and I'm going to hit submit. And that will pull up the fall term, but it's kind of in the backdrop. You have to let the system know what specific course are you looking for, right? So I'm going to select biology. Let's say I'm looking for a biology course. Well, what course? Let it know. Maybe it's 103. I'm going to look for biology 103. Because remember, you should already have seen an advisor before you come out here looking at this schedule. So biology 103, that's the course my advisor said I need. So I'm going to hit class search, and they're going to pull up all of the biology 103 classes. What I love about looking at the schedule this way is that I can see that class. See the note at the top? It's face-to-face. I can see it. There's Dr. Ellison is teaching it. It's a ground course on the Bessemer campus. Here are my times for the lecture, and here are my times for the lab. There's nothing ambiguous about this. It's very clear. And if I go down to the next one, say, well, I can't do face-to-face. I need a virtual class, or I need an online class. So I'm going to look to see. That's face-to-face, face-to-face. Here we go. Here's a biology online class right here. See that? So there I just found one. If you don't see it listed, guess what? It's not being offered. Let's see if there are any virtual ones. So I see face-to-face, face-to-face, face-to-face. So just that. It's all ground or in that one online course, right? So let me go back. I'm going to show you a couple of other things. Notice that I just did biology 103 and then I hit all because I wanted to see all the options. But let's say that it's late in the term and you've missed registering and you can only attend during the mini term 2. So you can isolate it by selecting mini term 2 to see if they're running anything in mini term 2. So I'm going to go, this time I'm going to look up English. Maybe it's an English, let's say English 101 class. And I'm looking for a mini term 2 101. So I'm isolating even further down. And I hit class search. And what's going to happen, you notice, see, it's just that one course. So this one course is up, but it's a mini term 2, right? A mini term 2 flex course that's running. And I can register for that course, okay? So we're going to come back and do another one. This time, let's go ahead and pick psychology. And let's take a look. And this will pull up all the psychology classes. Again, one of the things I want to stress is how important it is for you to look at what type of class you're scheduled to take, right? That's online, that's ground, face-to-face. This one's online, face-to-face, virtual. That means you're doing it through, you're taking the class through video conferencing tools. You're meeting at a particular date and time. Like this class meets Mondays and Wednesdays at 5:30 to 6:45, but they're meeting via Zoom or via maybe your Canvas course or the Blackboard course you're in, or maybe it's through Teams. But you're meeting, and you do need to turn your camera on, by the way. All right? So this is what I mean by taking your time, really looking at what you're signing up for. Okay? That's really important. Well, that's it. I just wanted you to know a fast way of really looking at your schedule in a very clear and succinct way. Remember, don't forget, before you do this step, always seek advisement through our advising centers.